What is up, YouTube? Redrix here. Let's just dive straight into it. So a couple of weeks ago I showed you guys on how to share your PS Plus account with multiple accounts so others can have benefit with the membership that you already purchased, so others can play online. And since I wasn't able to show a how-to like from top to bottom, or whatever you can call it, I just showed regular screenshots of my settings. So now I'm gonna show you, because now I've got the Elgato finally up and running with the HDMI cable. I can actually show you how to do it and how to connect those different parts settings, especially now that it's going to be easier because you're following a guide. Now with that being said, I've already done this, so to save some time I'm just gonna explain what I did and how it's been done. So let's move over to my PC and I'll show you and guide you from there. Hello, now we are here at my PC, and I'm using my PS4 as you can see, and I hope you like the overlay so far, and if you like the background and so on. If you want to see more of this kind, I'm streaming on Twitch every single week, so if you want to go ahead and build the Redrix community on Twitch, feel free to follow me on Twitch and we will play some games. Yeah, enough about that, let's have the new scene. Look at this, look at this. Alright, so first and foremost, you are at your primary or your main account, which has the PS Plus membership. As you can see, there's a PS Plus logo beside my Twitch name. And what you'll basically do is go to settings, account management, go to activate as your primary PS4. Remember, the main account, which has the PS Plus membership, should go to this account management and activate your primary PS4. And it should be, yes, it should be activated already. So go ahead and activate that first and foremost. When that is done, you will have to go to Parental Controls, Family Management. And you will go to Family Management. And it should be connected with my second account for YouTube. Please wait. Oh, there it is, as you can see here. So my main account, the Twitch account, has the is a family manager, and my second account is connected as a parent/guardian, and you can even add multiple accounts as a family into the family. And once you've done this with the second account, I believe there's an email that you have to accept with the email you have created the second account with. Alright? So remember this. So basically there are these two steps. Activate as your primary PS4 from the main account, and the second account has to be connected as into the family with your main account as a parent/guardian. It's always worked like this. And now I can basically use my second account to play online games. And if you don't believe me, let me go and log out. So I have nothing to do with the main account. Let me go over to my second account. As you can see, I did not have the PlayStation Plus logo. I believe that it shouldn't be there either. Oh, you can't read it. Oh, never mind. You can see there beside my name, I don't have the PlayStation Plus logo, but I still can play online games. Let's take, do I have Call of Duty installed? No, I have GTA 5, but we all know that I play Tekken, or if you don't, I play Tekken. And Tekken requires PlayStation Plus membership to play online, so let me go ahead and get the game. Alright, so now we're hopping into an online match, and here is just the wait lobby. See, I'm still in the game. So it works. And if you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments, and I will try to help out as much as I can. I hope this tutorial was very easy to understand. And yeah, as I said before, let me know in the comments if you need any help. And hey, if you want to see more of these kind of gameplays, hop over to Twitch and give a follow to the Redrix community and be a part of it.